Inside the body of the if statement, assign the platform.position.y plus the player.height to the player's y position. So if we go up here, we will find our class player, and with a constructor and those defined properties. And we have here an instance property of position and velocity. And the instruction is what it is trying to tell us is that we have to access the position object and then assign, and we have to access the position y of the player. But this is the player class, correct? So we would have to find the object player first. And we see here an instantiated object named as player from the class player. So we now know the object name of the player, which is the player. Anyways, we would have to access this object first and then access the position and then its uh, y property. So if we go down, we would have to access the object called player and then the instance property position and then the y. And this is where we would assign this. So we have assigned the platform.position.y plus the player.height to the player's position of y. Give a semicolon. Then assign the gravity to the player's y velocity. So we just previously we saw another instance property of velocity, correct? So just like we did, we just have to access the object player and then the velocity. The velocity, the player's velocity of y rather, then assign it to gravity. So I hope we are correct, and we are. That would be it. Nice.